And a good Wednesday morning, everybody, here on this last day of September. And what a beautiful day it is. Cool this morning, low mid-70s this afternoon, and about the same tomorrow. Although temperatures tomorrow morning will not be quite as cool. We do see a front moving through on Thursday. That's going to drop our temperatures back down to the 40s and then into the 60s for a high on a Friday. There's that front. Now, the thing about this front is it's going to come through on the dry side. So I'm only looking at maybe a couple clouds passing through and then a wind shift. So we'll be in the 70s tomorrow and then switching back to the low to mid 60s by the time we head into your Friday. Most of the weekend is bone dry, and we are going to see a lot of sunshine Friday, Saturday, and most of Sunday too. Now, as we get into Sunday night, this is a cold front and a little area of low pressure. You can barely have it on the map here, but this is expected to develop and push to the northeast. This cold front could sweep through here as we head into Sunday night. Could give us an isolated shower, although I don't expect much. We are keeping an eye on the tropics here. A 60% chance that what now is this little area here begins to move off to the northwest and becomes a tropical storm and then makes its way towards the west-northwest. I don't see this being a big problem here in the United States, but could bring some very heavy rainfall for places like the Yucatan Peninsula. We only made it to 67 degrees on Tuesday. The average is 78. But look at the record. We talked about this yesterday, and the record today is 97 degrees set last year. What a difference a year makes, as we're only going to be in the 70s today. By lunchtime, low to mid 60s, about where we were yesterday afternoon when that sun finally came out. But we're going to continue to go from there into the mid 70s for a high today. I got us at 74. We might flirt with 75. A little bit of a breeze coming out of the southwest. Nothing significant, but as we get into tonight, that wind, even though it won't be that strong tonight, will be enough to keep us warmer. I expect most of us to be in the low to mid 50s. And then tomorrow afternoon, low to mid 70s, and then you start to see some cooler air trying to move in here, coming in from the northwest late in the day. I think overall most of us in the 70s, but then we fall back down to the 40s and low 50s as we head into your Friday morning. Look at Friday morning, back in the 40s and even some 30s showing up on the map. And it looks like Saturday could be our coolest night, or at least Saturday morning could be our coolest morning. So cold front moves in tomorrow. Notice the clouds and showers. Exactly, there's none. So it'll just be a wind shift. Then we get into Friday. There's Saturday. There's Sunday. Not much happening. Sunday night, though, here comes that front from the west coast. You notice clouds increasing Sunday afternoon, so we may see some clouds taking over. Could there be some showers? There's 6 o'clock, 7, 8 o'clock, and then it moves past us by Monday morning. The air is going to be very dry, and this system is weak. So overall, I think our chances of rain are still pretty slim, but I will keep a mention of it in the forecast. Latest from the Climate Prediction Center suggesting above average temperatures now as we head into the middle of October. So a little bit of a change there from October 7th to the 13th. Could some 80s return? I think so, especially as we head towards the middle and end of next week. And you can see it here showing up on our Futurecast temps. Low to mid 60s for a high Friday. Saturday morning could be frosty for a lot of us. Upper 30s and low 40s. 60s in the afternoon. Beautiful day on Saturday for all the college football games. Got race day in Talladega this weekend. Sunday back in the 40s and then into the 70s. I'm going to skip ahead to next week. So here's Wednesday of next week. So we'll have 70s Monday and Tuesday, but you see the 80s starting to creep right back in and maybe some low 80s by next Thursday. We'll see. We can still get pretty warm in the month of October, but October is a big up and down month for us. So low to mid 70s today, tomorrow, mid 60s on Friday, and then we're going to stay in the 60s on Saturday and low 70s early next week. I threw in that 20% chance of rain late Sunday night and into early on Monday morning. All right, folks, enjoy this beautiful fall weather. Get outside if you can, and we'll talk with you tomorrow.